back to Mr. Duterte. He's proud of his killings. He wants to be remembered for them. Decades of murdering his own people, murdering the children of the Philippines. And he claims that he did it all for his country. He doesn't deny it. He says, as I said early on, it's a necessary evil. It's for the greater good. Doesn't matter how many kids I have to kill. I'll clean up the Philippines. Now I want to play a clip, Your Honors, if we can do that, James. This is, you'll see the beginning. I played just a few seconds of it. I'm going to play more of it now, about 2.5 minutes.
Na ginawa ko man ang lahat sa panahon ko para may konting katahimikan at mapayapa ang buhay ng Pilipino. Ang problema nito, ewan ko kung ang tingin ng ako'y raw yung o ganito na lang. Ito ganito na lang. O sabi ko, assuming na totoo talaga yung naririnig ninyo, bakit ko ginawa yan? Para sa sarili ko? Para sa pamilya ko? Para sa inyo at ang inyong mga anak sa ating bayan? Ang higiin ko na lang sa inyo, total, kung ganito man talaga ang swerte ko sa buhay, okay lang, tatanggapin ko yan. Wala tayong magawa.
Excuse me, Counsel, you have 5 minutes left.
Hulihin tayo kung ikulong tayo. Kaya lang, in the meantime, mag-contribute kayo, baski $5, $10, para paglabas ko sa presuhan, paggawaan ninyo akong monumento katabi ni Rizal. Si Rizal may hawak na libro eh. Akin,